I want to come up and we'll talk about the water lube tank. So we use an aluminum tank, so this won't degrade in the UV, like a lot of plastic tanks would. We've got our filler stop here. It holds just about 10 liters, and this is going to be water and a soap mixture. On the side here, we've added a level indicator. And this allows us a quick visual check of how much is in the tank before you start cutting, so you don't run out halfway through your cut. You come down here, we'll see a needle valve, and this lets us set the flow rate so that we set the flow rate